This is not a drill. So RCS is coming to iPhone next year. Most likely it will be a part of iOS 18. This is an article from 9 to 5 Mac. We'll just breeze through it really quickly. In a surprising move, Apple has announced today that it will adopt the RCS, which stands for Rich Communication Services Message Standard. So they say this upgrade is going to happen in a software update later next year. So like I mentioned before, it's very likely it would be iOS 18, maybe in time for the iPhone 16's launch, or maybe even 18.1. So Apple's decision comes amid pressure from regulators like the EU and competitors like Google and Samsung, which Google has put out ads trying to convince Apple to go with RCS. For those of you who may not know, RCS brings iMessage style features. So if you are communicating with someone on an Android and you have an iPhone, there are things like typing indicators and other features that iPhones to iPhones would get with iMessage. The feature set is not 100% between RCS and iMessage, but it will allow you to send higher resolution videos to individuals on Android. And if you are an Android user, you'll be able to send higher resolution videos to iPhone users. So it is a great win for all of us at the end of the day. The article mentions here about the things that RCS will have. So read receipts, you might want to turn those off once this gets enabled. Typing indicators, high quality images, and much more. RCS can also work over mobile data or Wi-Fi as well. So in theory, you should be able to continue to use your iPad or your Mac in order to communicate with other users using RCS. You think that RCS is going to completely replace iMessage? Is not likely. Apple is probably thinking of feature sets for iMessage that will make users stick with iMessage and have all of those group texts with their friends. So think about things like stickers, the iMessage apps. Those features are going to be very important for Apple in order to keep users using iMessage rather than communicating via RCS. Let me know what you think about this announcement. I personally think it is good because I communicate with my brother, and sometimes when we send videos, the quality is garbage. So do all of the YouTube things, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.